What it do, Mama's Bomb crew, and welcome back to another video. If you're not already a part of the family, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, make sure to leave a comment down below, and stay tuned for future uploads. Also, you guys, go ahead and hit that little bell next to the subscribe button. That way you guys get notified when I post new videos, because you don't want to miss them. In today's video, I'm going to be catching up on a couple things. I had my laundry just piling up in the laundry baskets, so I decided I was going to fold my laundry and put my laundry away. I'm also going to go ahead and clear off one of my dining tables and just get stuff a little tidied up here, because I'm kind of frazzled. I have a lot going on right now, so I want to get some stuff tidied up. So enjoy, you guys. Hope I give you some motivation again.